How do you like my snow look?
I like it. Are you gonna go outside and make it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go outside like this.
All makeup on?
Yeah.
Is that what girls do?
Hello everyone and welcome to April's Lane. I'm April. How are ya? This is gonna be the first vlog of the new year, 2022. That's so exciting. I hope you enjoyed all the throwbacks of 2021 that I never posted. I think there was like 2 weeks of that. If you haven't seen them, go back and watch them. There's some really good ones. Let's see. So today's vlog, I am cleaning today. So I'm rearranging our bedroom, scrubbing. I bought new rugs for in here, so we're cleaning. I have 50 million piles of laundry to put away. Yeah, so we are cleaning today. Also, band practice is happening downstairs, if you could hear that. And then it is 2 o'clock. Yes, it is 2 p.m. It was supposed to start snowing here at 1 p.m. We're supposed to get like 18 inches to 24 inches of snow, which is crazy. But we got nothing so far. So I'm just waiting for the snow to fall. We got a snowblower, so Anthony was downstairs doing the snowblower yesterday, so that's up and running. We got like a lot of bags of salt. We stocked up on some water and canned goods just in case. Nothing like crazy. We didn't go like all out and buy toilet paper and all that. We just got just some soup and so a case of water and a thing of dog food extra just in case we're snowed in tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just cleaning today. I'll show you my bedroom after I'm done cleaning, and then yeah, that'll be it. That says 2:33 p.m. and that means that it has started. Can you see it? It's starting to snow. All right. Bedroom is complete. And now moving on. All right, it's almost 8 p.m. It's been snowing since 2:30 p.m. I have a ruler. We're gonna go out and measure how many inches we got so far. All right, we're gonna go in my stairs. Oh, I can't see. I need to get a light. Hold on. Okay, the husband has.
Oh my God, this is ridiculous.
The light. We're gonna go on the steps where it's nice. And.
Too much of a glare?
Nope, 2 inches so far. We got 2 inches of snow.
Oh, I can't shovel the stuff.
All right, it is 9:45. This is probably the last time I'll check the snow tonight. I'm gonna put my boots on. Oh, take my ruler and we'll go measure this. And then we'll probably not measure again until tomorrow morning because it is like 10 o'clock at night and I want to go to bed. My tracks are covered, so there's that. This says 5 inches. We're at 5 inches. Oh, good morning. Look at all this snow. We are about to go out and play in this for a little bit, maybe. I don't know. Look at my lip. Can you see lip? She loves the snow so much. She's gonna start digging. She usually digs in the snow. Oh, there she goes. Oh, no, not today. But we're about to go play in the snow a little bit. I need to shovel a little path for the dash hounds because they won't go out because it's literally above their head. Look at so I'm going to shovel, we're going to salt, I think, and measure how much snow we got. I think I last left off at like 10 p.m. last night. We had 5 inches. Where did she go? Hold on. I found her. She loves it. So we're going to go play in the snow a little bit, but let's, I love watching her. Let's get ready with me first. She just loves it. I should put her jacket on. Oh my god. I'm not sure if that's too high, maybe. Maybe you can see me, maybe you can't, I don't know, but we are going to braid my hair in pigtails. And then I think I'm gonna put contacts in today because when you go in and out of cold air, your glasses tend to fog up. So I don't want anything to fog today. So I think I'm just gonna put some contacts in and then find my snowsuit. Anyhow, leave it in the comments down below. How much snow did you get? Where do you live? And like where are you from? And how many inches of snow did you get? Do you love to do outdoor snow activities? I love to go play in it for a little bit, and then I like to come in and have some hot tea or hot cocoa and get my PJs on or some sweatpants and relax a little bit, maybe watch a Hallmark video. Yeah, that was him.
What's going on?
I'm telling the YouTubes that we're gonna have a snow day today.
Oh, it's bad out there. Look at it.
It is bad out there.
Shut down that highway.
So, my contact, this one is like freaking out.
Alright, that's good.
So, I don't know how that's gonna go today.
Yeah.
Oh, anyhow, so we're gonna use some of this Maybelline New York Dream BB Fresh. This is a skin hydrating beauty balm, 8-in-1 skin protector. So we're gonna use some of that to maybe not look so dead today. Cover up some of this deadness. That contact is like really bothering me. Ugh. So anyhow, I was talking about like winter activities. Do you guys go snowboarding? Do you go skiing? I've never been snow tubing. I'd love to go snow tubing. I think that would be super fun. Maybe I'll add that to the list of things to do this this winter, which would be really nice to do. I do like to go out and play in it for a little bit and then come back in. So that's always fun. Maybe build a snowman. So then I use this. This is an instant age rewind correctional. I don't know who it's from, but I just use it around my eyes. So this is my final look to go outside and about and be cute and play in the snow. So a little extra for a snow day, but you know, whatever.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Did you hear what I said?
Look, there's my husband. How do you like my snow look?
I like it. Are you gonna go outside at me?
Yeah, I'm gonna go outside like this.
All makeup on?
Yeah.
Is that what girls do?